Way to go, baby!
Unbelievable! That's just how I do it.
Now, watch a professional.
How'd you do that?
Not really sure, but someone yelled hello and threw off my concentration.
Wasn't me. Not me.
Well, she said.
Hello?
That's the voice. Where is it coming from?
Hello? Who keeps saying hello?
Hello?
The boot said hello.
Footwear can't talk, Hal.
Hello? Well, this footwear can.
Weird.
Some boots were made for walking and others were made for talking.
Hi, Boot. It's me, Hal.
I'm not a boot. I'm a little spiny lobster.
Oh, she's so cute. I'm Hal, little spiny lobster, and this is Squeaks, Daisy, and Nature Cat.
Oh, hello, new pals. My name's Kathy.
Well, Kathy, the little spiny lobster, what are you doing here?
I don't know. 1 minute I was looking for something to eat, and the next minute I was in this fisherman's boat, and somehow I ended up here. It's all so confusing.
Well, maybe it's time you went on home, Kathy.
Brilliant idea, Hal. Okay, my home is this way. Wait a minute. Maybe it's this way. Or was it this way? Don't you know where your home is, little lobster cutie? Not sure. I couldn't see a thing from inside that boot. I think I may be lost.
Oh, no. Kathy is a little lost lobster.
Poor little Kathy.
What is she going to do? Guys, hey, don't cry. Maybe we can help.
Yes, amazing idea, Daisy. We can help you find your home.
You can do that? Really? Honest and for true? Yeah, sure. We've helped plenty of other animals find their home before.
We sure did. So, Kathy, tell me, what kind of home do you live in?
Oh, that's easy. My home's among the trees. Trees? But you're a lobster. Yep. Young lobsters like me need to stay safe from animals who may want to eat us. And the trees where I live are great at keeping young little creatures safe. But how can a lobster live in a tree? What?
Oh, me, oh!
Yes, Hal.
I know a tree that's great for keeping little guys safe.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's find that lobster's home. Onward and follow Halward.
I think I found your home.
Oh, goody. Where?
Titty! Up there! Come on!
I don't think a lobster's home would be an oak tree.
I'm telling you, there's a safe home for little critters right here.
Hal, this isn't my...
Welcome back to your home, Kathy!
Daze, I don't know if these are spiny lobsters. Nope, these are baby possums. Their mama picked this tree because it's safe for them to grow up here. Where I live is also a safe place for young ones to grow up. But it's not here, Daisy.
Really? Are you sure? Hey, buddy, ¿qué pasa?
I guess this means I'm still lost.
We can't give up yet. We will find your home. What else can you remember about it?
Well, there are lots of trees, like I said. Oh, and the trees are growing in the ocean. Oh, wait, what? Yep, my home is among trees that grow in the ocean. Okay, that's not possible. The ocean is salt water. Trees can't grow in salt water. Except for my home. Just wait till you see these trees. They grow in the ocean, and they are splendiferous.
Splendiferous trees! I like splendiferous trees. Ask anyone.
But what kind of trees can grow in salt water? Oh, I just remembered. They're called mangroves. Mangrove? I gotta look this up. No service.
No time for web browsing, Daisy. We must go to the ocean and find those mangroves. To the ocean.
I gotta see this to believe it.
Look at all that water. Probably can't wait to splash me. Well, not today, water. Not today!
I don't see any trees in the water.
You sure these Guy Groove trees grow in the water?
It's called a mangrove, you silly goose. And yes, it definitely grows in the ocean.
Scanning for trees that grow in the ocean. Scanning. Scanning.
There is no way you're going to find trees growing in salt water.
Ha ha! Trees growing in salt water!
What? No way! It's gotta be a mangrove. Come on! My home! Yippee! This is it. This is the mangrove forest.
Okay, little lobster. This is as far as we go. You are home! Welcome, my good little spiny lobster!
Yes, I am home, but which one is my tree again?
Wait, Nature Cat, we can't just leave Kathy. We gotta go with her to make sure she finds her tree home.
But if we go with her, I'll get wet. And I really don't want to get wet.
Don't worry, Nature Cat. You go. I'll be fine by myself. It'll be good to get back in the water.
Ah! It's a turtle! And he's looking for a lobster lunch! On second thought, maybe it's not safe for a little lost spiny lobster to go it alone. Okay, I'll get wet for the little lobster, but I won't like it.